Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did a really easy little Halloween set, and I have a little bit of a mini haul in the beginning of the video, but I really wanted to show you guys my cute little intro for the next 2 weeks until Halloween. I'm really excited for it, and it's so cute. I got the idea from VanityVal here on YouTube. I absolutely love her, and she did a little intro like this, so I wanted to kind of do something similar. It's so cute, and I'm obsessed. So anyways, enough of me rambling. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off, and the first thing that I'm going to go in and grab is this little duet. It's a really cute little duo of two different gel polishes, and I'm going to open it really quick and show you guys. I don't have this video sped up for this part just because I felt like I was already going kind of fast, so I didn't want to like make it go too fast. And I really love these colors, you guys. Right now I'm going to show you guys. They're so beautiful. And the pigmentation is literally insane. You guys can see this beautiful brown color. I love that color for fall. I actually ordered one from Madam Glam because I didn't have one. I had one like from a long time ago, and then it ran out because that's how much I used it. But I really wanted another really beautiful brown like that one, like a really light brown kind of. But it's perfect for fall. Like, I definitely want to use that color in a set and stuff like that. And then I'm going to be showing you guys the other things that I got as well. I'm really excited for this package because it's literally Halloween vibes. It's so cute. It has a bunch of different stuff. And I definitely want to use those little charms in a nail tutorial coming up soon. I think I'm going to film it today, so I'm really excited for that. And I definitely want to use the little stickers and everything like that. And they also just sent me these little cute ones. There's like a little jack ones, little skeletons and things like that. So the next thing is this really cute little box of this white and black gel polish. And when I tell you guys that this gel polish is some of the smoothest formula I've ever tried, or one of the smoothest formulas I've ever tried, it's literally so good, you guys. That white and that black I've been using nonstop, and I've been obsessed with it so much. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed. I love those. The consistency is really amazing. I've never tried these gel polishes by MAKARTT, so I absolutely love them. I highly recommend you get them if you're looking for a good white and a good black. And then, sorry you guys, I was kind of going fast right there. But I also got those little poly gels, a red and a black, and then this really beautiful little mix of a bunch of different little kind of sequins and things to encapsulate. I like encapsulating these in gel or in acrylic. I absolutely love these. They're so beautiful and really fun for the really cute Halloween look. And then I got this really awesome, or literally awesome color, Inspire Yourself gel polish kit, and I absolutely love it. It looks really cute. I literally keep saying that about everything, but I'm a really big, like, lover of, like, cute packaging or things that look really nice and kind of, like, high quality, especially when it comes to nail products, because I like displaying them, and when they look cute, it just makes everything look so much better. Perfect. So I'm just slowly showing you guys the colors, the consistency of these. Again, amazing. Highly recommend, like 1000%, if you're looking for some really cute fall colors. Like, look at this really beautiful burnt orange color. This little set is literally everything you need, so I'll definitely be linking this down below. And I'm just gonna let this play because I feel like I'm talking too much. So yeah. And then the last thing I got were these really cute little stickers, a bunch of different little Halloween vibes and fall ones. I'm obsessed. I actually already used these little fall stickers. You might see them on my Instagram soon. I haven't posted the picture of the set that I did just yet, but I really love them. So now I'm going to be going in with the set, or the little tutorial. I'm going to be going in with my base coat This is going to be a super quick little tutorial, literally only like 10 minutes long or something, but it's really, really easy, something simple and fun that you get to do. You can do it on your friends, your family, or you can even make a set for fun if you do press on nails and then post it, and maybe someone will want to buy it just so that you can practice your designs. That's what I like to do. Sometimes I like to make sets for fun and then I'll post them for sale or something and someone will want to purchase them, just because I like to practice designs that I don't get to do all the time. It's like a good thing because I love what I do, but then it kind of sucks sometimes because I do custom sets, so I do whatever the customer asks for, or I make them whatever they ask for, so I hardly ever get to make designs that I want to do unless I'm doing it for like a video here on YouTube or something like that. But yeah, so I like to do this, that way I get to practice some things that I've never done before, and then it's a good way to kind of practice your drawing or things like that in case you need some practice with it. Instead of like doing it on your own hand or a practice hand, you can do it and then someone will probably want them. So that's what I like to do, and I'm going to be using the black and white gel polish that they sent me in this little kit, and I'm really obsessed with it. You guys can see that was a one coat of that white and one coat of that black, and they're already so pigmented. I've tried a lot of different black gel polishes and sometimes they're hit or miss. Like, it honestly just depends. Sometimes they're really, really, really sheer and I have to build it up like times 3 coats or something. I used to have one, I don't remember what the brand was, but I really didn't like it at all. And I've tried the iGel Beauty one. That one's kind of alright, but like honestly it's not my favorite. It's not super, super dark, and I like a really nice black, and this one's perfect. It's really, really nice, so I absolutely love it. And I'm going to be using 2 coats of this just to make sure all the pigmentation is really good all the way around. And I did do 2 coats of the base coat as well on the structure of the nail, just to make sure that it has an extra thickness and it's really nice and sturdy. Even though I wasn't sure if like anyone would want these, I still wanted to show you guys the way that I would actually make them in case they were for someone. So I'm also going to be doing a second coat of the white just to make sure everything's good. And before I even put it in the lamp, you kind of saw me like twist my little thing back and forth because I like to make sure the sides are completely covered so that I'm not missing any little gaps of gel or anything like that, and there's nothing that I can't see. So I like to look at all directions on the nail and look at the surface of the nail entirely just to make sure everything's good to go, and then I put it in the lamp to dry, and I always leave it in there for like 2 minutes, so 60 seconds once and then 60 seconds again, just to make sure that it's completely dry. So now after both hands, this is the second hand, after both of them have their second coat, they're both going to be dry and everything like that. I'm going to go in with my striped lines. This is going to be like a little Jack inspired set. So I'm going to be using a super long liner brush, you guys, to get straight lines. This is the key, and it'll probably make it look like I'm doing it so easily, but the long brush is really key. This is what's going to help you out. If you use a short brush to try to make long lines on a nail, I promise you, you're going to be able to see all the shakiness in your hand. If your hand shakes at all, or even a little bump or movement will definitely like mess it up, and the long brush kind of catches that. I don't know how to explain it, but try a long brush and I promise you it'll definitely help you out. I'll link some of my favorites down below. I get them from AliExpress, to be honest with you. I can get them anywhere. You can get them anywhere, even Amazon or anything like that. So I'm going to link some from Amazon if you want them quicker. I'll also link some from AliExpress. I recommend 20 to 25 millimeter brushes. 25 millimeter is best. If you can find a 25 millimeter, I highly recommend that because it's the longest. So that's what I'm kind of using here. I believe this one is either 20 or 25 millimeters, and it is a brush that I cut on my own. So if your brush is super thick and you want thinner lines, I highly recommend cutting some of the bristles off and leaving only a little bit so that it works better for you, and then it'll help you out with the thinner lines. So right here I'm using that same white, and you guys can just see how pigmented that white is. I love it so much. And I did also want to say that sometimes with black gel polishes, I had mentioned this in a few past videos, but the black gel polish will kind of bubble up in the lamp if you do a little bit too thick of a layer. And this one I was actually using decently thick layers, like they weren't super thin, and I didn't have any bubbling or rippling of the gel at all. It was really good. So this formula is amazing. I highly recommend it. And I'm going to be doing those stripes on all the nails except the ring finger. On the ring finger, I'm going to be trying to do this little Jack design. I kind of messed up on this one a little bit, and I was still going to show you guys like me messing up and everything like that because I was doing this super late at night. I was kind of tired and stuff, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick, easy design that you guys can do in case you wanted to practice your designs and things like that. This is also a really good like last minute Halloween set. Like if you really need like a last minute, or you have someone that's like, I need like a set super quick for this or something, like literally even just the stripes on all the nails gives me Halloween vibes. If you didn't want to do like the little jack face, it'd be still like super super cute. And I am going to be matting these nails out as well. You can leave them shiny, that'd be pretty, but I like matte. Even if you were going to be like a killer clown, maybe like a girl clown or something, that'd be cute too with these kind of nails. So I'm kind of doing the little jack face, just trying to do the little circles, and I felt like I kind of messed up, so I do grab some acetone and try to fix it in a bit. I feel like I made the eyes a little bit too big. So then I'm also drawing like the little nose part. It's just two little slits going down, and then literally the mouth with like lines going through the whole mouth. It's so easy to do this, you guys. I promise, even if you don't know how to draw, you can still do it. And you can either use your dotting tool like I did, or you can use a little tiny brush. I don't recommend using a super long brush for thicker lines like this, or like circles or like ovals or things where you're going to need a lot of pigmentation. So I highly recommend that. And then I'll kind of just let you guys watch. But like I said, it was a super easy tutorial, just something really nice and quick for you guys to watch in case you're looking for some ideas. And I really wanted to show you guys or kind of explain to you guys like how I get inspo. You can go on Pinterest and look up like Halloween iPhone wallpaper, and there's really cute wallpapers that have like so much inspo. I'm literally going to be doing some Halloween sets right now before Halloween still, and there's some really cute ideas, you guys, like really really cute ones by just looking at wallpapers like on Pinterest or things like that. I could literally get so much inspo from those, and I screenshotted a whole bunch of them. So I think we're gonna do a little, not like series, but something like that, kind of like recreating nail sets based off of like random photos. So something like that, I feel like that'd be really cute. And I think I definitely want to do that so that you guys can learn how to get inspo as well, because I know sometimes it can be hard, especially if you're not really feeling it. Personally, like as a nail tech, sometimes I feel super inspired and sometimes I don't even want to do it. Like I sit at my desk and I just sit there and like stare at my desk for like so long, and I just sit on my phone because I just don't feel like doing it because I feel so uninspired. And looking at photos and stuff like that, like I said, on Pinterest can really motivate you to create something. It'll really let your creative mind flow. So I really love doing that. So once the nails are all done and cured, I'm going to be cleaning them off with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol. I always almost say acetone every single time, but alcohol. And then I'm going to be putting on my top coat. This is the Kupa matte top coat. I do like this one, but I literally use any kind of top coat I have. Like the BEETLES one is really good as well. The matte top coat from BEETLES is good. The matte top coat from Born Pretty is good. I have actually never tried like a MAKARTT one. I don't think I've ever tried a MAKARTT top coat, like a matte one, but for sure the BEETLES is really good. And I don't really know of any other brands off the top of my head. I really love the Nail Supply Glamour one. I used to use that one a lot. So it's just whatever your preference is. And then I wanted to say thank you for all the recommendations you guys gave me for good top coats. A lot of people requested some or gave me comments for their favorites, and I love that. I love when you guys share with me like what your guys' favorite stuff is, because I'm always looking for new things to try and new things that I could use every day. So if you guys ever need links or anything for like that for anything in my videos, and if I forget, please comment down below and let me know. Sometimes I'll be linking stuff and then I'll eventually like remember, or someone will comment that I forgot something. So always just don't feel shy to comment. If you want the links for stands and things like that, I'll link them in this video. And yeah, you guys, so that's pretty much the end of this tutorial. I really hope you guys liked it. It was super quick, super easy. I just wanted to give you guys a little haul and things like that. I have another haul coming because I want to make a haul video. And then a lot of people said they wanted an updated favorites, which I could definitely do. My favorites are kind of like really different than they were when I started my channel, when I did my last favorites video. But I absolutely am obsessed with these nails. They're really cute, really simple. You could even add rhinestones and bedazzle them a little bit. But I hope you guys like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.